Hai, aku punya cerita nih buat kamu. Bangun pagi, siap-siap buat berangkat sekolah, kuliah, kerja. Pastinya butuh asupan kan? Eits, bukan cuma sarapan, tapi asupan mood juga. Kayak ruang buat sharing cerita kamu.
Paket!
Hah? Sarbagita?
Sarbagita, saatnya berbagi cerita.
Dengerin atau baca info viral kekinian.
Trending, yang viral. Woi kak!
Jangankan sebelum berangkat, baru bangun aja, kadang kita langsung ambil handphone kan? That's why kita perlu tahu info update soal teknologi. Kamu udah pakai AI yang mana nih? BTW, kalau habis berkegiatan, mood kan turun tuh. Bangkitin lagi, request lagu di Pro 2 FM.
Waktunya Pro 2 Hitlist.
Perut lapar.
Kita ini lapar.
Dengerin rekomendasi kuliner dan jajanan UMKM bikin ngiler. Habis makan, udah kenyang, jangan lupa self-reward. Bukan self-reward itu ya, tapi ini. Yes, olahraga. Dengerin info dan beritanya. Ada yang happening dari dunia entertainment juga.
Oh, kulit kerang ajaib. Apa yang harus kami lakukan supaya bisa keluar dari hutan ini?
Tidak ada.
Mantep ya, kalau mood bisa bagus terus, biar jadi smart people, melek isu kekinian di Indonesia dan mancanegara, kayaknya afdol ya. Tradisi Bu Pertiwi alias Tanah Bali jangan dilupain. Cek dewasa ayu, gatre terkini seputar Bali. Dan dengerin lagu Bali juga. Udah mulai larut, on the way istirahat, pastinya butuh yang rileks ditemenin lagu-lagu yang kamu suka.
It's time for request time.
Bahas film, dengerin terus ya, Pro 2 RRI Singaraja, teman terbaik kamu.
Kerjaan banyak banget dah. Aduh, puyeng kalau gini nih. Untung ada ini, RRI Digital. Nah, ini baru asik. Kerjaan banyak banget dah. Aduh, puyeng kalau gini nih. Untung ada ini, RRI Digital. Nah, ini baru asik.
Hai, aku punya cerita nih buat kamu. Bangun pagi, siap-siap buat berangkat sekolah, kuliah, kerja. Pastinya butuh asupan kan? Eits, bukan cuma sarapan, Tapi asupan mood juga. Kayak ruang buat sharing cerita kamu.
Paket.
Hah? Sarbagita?
Sarbagita, saatnya berbagi cerita.
Dengerin atau baca info viral kekinian.
Trending, trending, trending. Yang viral, yang viral, yang viral. Woi, Kak.
Jangankan sebelum berangkat, baru bangun aja, kadang kita langsung ambil handphone kan? That's why kita perlu tahu info update soal teknologi. Kamu udah pakai AI yang mana nih? BTW, kalau habis berkegiatan, mood kan turun tuh. Bangkitin lagi, request lagu di Pro2 FM.
Waktunya Pro2 Hitlist.
Perut lapar.
Kita ini lapar, kita ini lapar, kita ini lapar!
Dengerin rekomendasi kuliner dan jajanan UMKM bikin ngiler. Habis makan, udah kenyang, jangan lupa self-reward. Bukan self-reward itu ya, tapi ini. Yes, olahraga. Dengerin info dan beritanya. Ada yang happening dari dunia entertainment juga.
Oh, kulit kerang ajaib. Apa yang harus kami lakukan supaya bisa keluar dari hutan ini?
Tidak ada.
Mantep ya, kalau mood bisa bagus terus, biar jadi smart people, melek isu kekinian di Indonesia dan mancanegara, kayaknya afdol ya. Tradisi Bu Pertiwi alias Tanah Bali jangan dilupain. Cek dewasa ayu, gatre terkini seputar Bali, dan dengerin lagu Bali juga. Udah mulai larut, on the way istirahat, pastinya butuh yang rileks ditemenin lagu-lagu yang kamu suka.
It's time for request time.
Bahas film,
Dari kawasan Gajah Mada 144 Singaraja. Ya, teman Pro2, senang sekali saya terus bisa menemani ruang dengar Anda. Dan kali ini kita ada di acara Music Live Chat ya. Dan ini nampaknya menjadi sebuah edisi spesial karena pagi hari ini kita sudah ditemani ya bukan seorang tapi double ya, musisi. Nah, ini musisi yang akan kita ajak berbincang begitu ya. Dan kenapa spesial? Karena beliau datang dari negara yang cukup jauh begitu ya, dari Indonesia. Nah, siapa mereka ya, kita akan langsung berkenalan dengan saudara kembar begitu ya. Dan kita langsung saja sambut. Dan this is very really honor and also proud of us to welcoming you here in Singaraja, teman Pro2 in Pro2 FM RRI Singaraja. Hello, Julian and Jason Prince. Good morning ya.
Hello, Shalom Indonesia. Good morning to you all.
Good morning. How are you today?
We're doing good. It's lovely to be here in Indonesia finally.
Yeah, finally.
Yes.
Because this is your first time coming.
This is the first time. Yes.
And what do you think about Indonesia? First time coming here.
Yes,
It's amazing. It's amazing. The weather is nice, and also especially the food.
The food?
Yeah, Indonesian food is amazing.
Do you have to taste Indonesian food?
Already, yes,
Already?
we have.
Oh,
Yes.
what do you have?
I don't know the names.
But the taste.
But the food is really good.
Yes, really good.
Yeah, we know
Yes.
the food is good, and also the people are very friendly and lovely. So that's
Okay.
very nice.
Yes,
Yeah.
yeah. And thank you for coming here in Pro2. Dan of course today we will talk about Gigi twins ya. You both call as Gigi twins.
That's right.
Right. Julian and Jason Prince ya teman Pro 2, dan kita akan berbincang begitu terkait dengan album mereka, your songs and your journey, how can you enter the music industry. So the listener wants to know about it. Okay, maybe before that, can you introduce first yourself, both Julian and Jason?
That's right. So we are twin brothers. We are born and raised in Sri Lanka. Yeah, we are Dutch descendants.
Okay.
Yes. And yeah, we're twin brothers, and so we always had the passion to do music since a very young age, and singing is like always been a part of us.
Yeah.
Yeah. And we always wanted to pursue music, and that's what we're doing right now. So we have the privilege to tour the world, and we're blessed to promote our music to the people out there. And we're so excited for everything that we have in store for all of you, yeah, here in Indonesia.
Yeah, and maybe you can tell us how can you interested in music, whether your parents before also singer, or maybe you watch from how can you
Yes, so our father's side is all musicians. Yeah, they are in bands and they are very popular in Sri Lanka.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, but I think but they are into jazz, more jazz. Yeah, I think Julian and I are more into R&B and hip hop. Yeah, so the genres are a little different.
Okay.
So I think we had it in our blood. The music was in our blood, and it was since small days we've been singing and just singing to our family and friends and making concerts at home.
Okay.
Yeah, selling fake tickets.
Oh, yeah. Nice.
Yeah, yeah, that's what kids do, right?
Yep.
Yeah, so that's how we came about.
So before you performing in public, so you also have tried learning singing with your family, something like that, or
So learning singing, like I think we always listen to a lot of songs, and I think that's how we started to learn how to keep singing and also writing music, because we listen to a lot of artists out there, and at that time we didn't have like classes that we went for to do any singing, vocal training or anything at that time, and it's later on in our age that we came and did guitar lessons and then a little bit of vocal training, and also we learned vocal training more when we did theatrical, stage drama.
stage drama?
Yes, correct.
Yeah, before you also stage drama in
Yes.
2005 and
2006 and 2015.
15.
Yes.
You still remember your role?
Yes. So the first one was Oliver Twist. Yeah, we were like poor boys walking around the stage. Yeah, I still remember that. Yeah,
But it was fun.
One.
Yeah.
It's also like music theatrical or
yeah, musical
just-
theatrical.
Musical,
you
yes.
singing also?
We
Yes,
singing.
correct.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
great. So that's your first time show in public.
Yes.
Okay, and about the music itself, how do you start it? What's your first step when you come into in music industry? Whether you singing first or writing song? Also, you are songwriter, right?
Yes,
that's correct.
Oh my God, you have a lot of talent, yeah.
Thank you.
So can you tell us how your history?
Yeah.
behind how-
So before we came into the public, we were singing to our family and friends, and at the age of 10, we started writing songs.
Oh, at then.
At 10,
At the
yes.
age of 10.
At the age of 10.
So before we started writing songs, we always did our music through beatboxing. Have you heard of beatboxing?
Yeah, beatboxing,
Yes.
yeah.
So we started beatboxing. So and then that's how we learned to do our music. So when we performed to our family and our friends, so we used to beatbox, and then we used to just put out lyrics. Yeah, like freestyling.
Yeah.
Yeah, at that time. So that time we didn't write songs. So everything was in our head. So we used to learn the lyrics in our head, and then we used to beatbox and sing to our family and friends. But at age of 10, we started writing our songs. And the first song that we wrote is called Dogs in the House.
Dogs in the house.
Yeah.
What is the inspiration behind?
I think it's because we just thought, because we moved to a new house, so we thought like, okay, there's like rogues coming in, thieves,
Thieves,
coming in,
yeah.
And so we thought, okay, so we are like the dogs, yeah.
Okay.
And so we keep the thieves away, from coming into our house.
Okay,
Yes.
this is story of the
Yes.
song.
Yeah, that's the play. At that time, the house that we moved into, it inspired us to create that song.
And it's a funny song.
Yeah, it's
Do you
funny.
still sing that song?
We haven't sung it for a while.
Yeah, but it goes a bit like this: dogs in the house, rogues in the road. If you want a piece of me, just come on and get it. Dogs in the house, rogues in the road. If you want a piece of me, just come on and get it.
Okay,
Something
something
like
like
that.
that.
Yeah.
That's a simple song, yeah, because it's at early age.
Early
Yeah.
age, and it's a rap song.
A rap song.
Yeah.
Okay, and then at that time, what's your family comment about that song?
It was a family favorite.
Oh yeah.
Yes. So every time we go to our relative's place, everyone requests for us to sing that song.
Yeah.
Okay.
But it was fun singing it to them.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, and then after Dogs in the House, you write also another songs.
Yes, we wrote a few more songs. There was one we wrote, You're My Lover, and then Takes My Heart Away.
This is also using, or you have it performance also in your performance or concert.
Yes,
correct?
we performed
correct.
it.
We
Yes,
performed
correct.
that.
Uh-huh.
Yes.
Okay, and then you are already what's that? Have a mini album so far?
Yes, we have multiple albums
Oh,
so
multiple
far.
album. Oh,
Yes.
so far. So,
Yeah.
so can be said you are in music industry for around 10 years? Can be.
Yes,
Yes.
correct.
Okay, that's really good, yeah. And maybe who is your favorite singer? Is it same?
It's the same.
Oh
Yes.
my god, no! It's because you are twins.
I think our likings are the same.
Yeah.
really?
Yeah.
And even the music, because we listen to the same
Same music.
the same style, the same
Yeah.
genre, same artist.
Oh my god,
Yeah.
yeah.
Yes, coming to your question, I think our favorite artist is Akon. Have you heard Akon?
Yes,
Yes.
Akon, yeah. That's
Yeah.
all.
So he's our favorite artist, and then we have a few more artists like Justin Bieber, and
Ed Sheeran.
Ed Sheeran.
Oh my
Yeah.
god, yeah,
Yeah.
a lot of maybe you have inspired by them,
Yes.
yeah, when having your music style. But actually, what is your genre in music?
Our genre in music is R&B and
R&B.
hip hop.
Hip hop
Yes.
mostly.
Yes.
Okay, but
But we can do all the genres.
Yeah, all kinds of genres.
Yes.
can do.
Can
I
do.
mean,
Yes.
Okay, and next session, of course, we will listen your songs, yeah. But before that, we'll talk more after we listen their song Teman Pro 2 ya, berjudul Balance, ya.
Hai, aku punya cerita nih buat kamu. Bangun pagi, siap-siap buat berangkat sekolah, kuliah, kerja. Pastinya butuh asupan kan? Eits, bukan cuma sarapan, tapi asupan mood juga. Kayak ruang buat sharing cerita kamu.
Paket.
Hah? Sarbagita? Sarbagita, saatnya berbagi cerita.
Dengerin atau baca info viral kekinian.
Trending. Yang viral.
Woi kak,
Jangankan sebelum berangkat, baru bangun aja, kadang kita langsung ambil handphone kan? That's why kita perlu tahu info update soal teknologi. Kamu udah pakai AI yang mana nih? BTW, kalau habis berkegiatan, mood kan turun tuh. Bangkitin lagi, request lagu di Pro 2 FM.
Waktunya Pro 2 Hit List.
Perut lapar.
Kita ini lapar.
Dengerin rekomendasi kuliner dan jajanan UMKM bikin ngiler. Habis makan, udah kenyang, jangan lupa self-reward. Bukan self-reward itu ya, tapi ini. Yes, olahraga. Dengerin info dan beritanya. Ada yang happening dari dunia entertainment juga.
Oh, kulit kerang ajaib. Apa yang harus kami lakukan supaya bisa keluar dari hutan ini?
Tidak ada.
Mantep ya, kalau mood bisa bagus terus, biar jadi smart people, melek isu kekinian di Indonesia dan mancanegara, kayaknya afdol ya. Tradisi Bu Pertiwi alias Tanah Bali jangan dilupain. Cek dewasa ayu, gatre terkini seputar Bali, dan dengerin lagu Bali juga. Udah mulai larut, on the way istirahat, pastinya butuh yang rileks ditemenin lagu-lagu yang kamu suka.
It's time for request time.
Bahas film,
Sri Lanka yang akan promo album mereka ya, lagu terbaru mereka, dan juga akan mengadakan meet and greet and special performance di Starbeans Cafe ya nanti malam. Jadi kita akan balik ngobrol lagi dengan Julian and Jason ya about your new songs, because as what I've read, is can be said as special song because it's different from your previous because it's what's that, the mix of three languages,
That's right.
English, Japanese, and Bahasa.
Yes. Yeah.
How can you come up with this idea of of your new songs?
Yes, so we always had an idea to collaborate with other artists from other countries, and then we got this opportunity to collaborate with Bonarutsi, from Malang. He's a rapper from Malang, and it's a privilege to have him in this project with us. And with his style of music and his style of rap, he came up with this idea of let's create something with three languages. Bring in Sri Lanka and also Indonesia together, and then add in English, Japanese, and Bahasa.
And this is your first can be experience having three languages in your song.
Yes,
Yes,
this is the first
Isn't
time.
it?
Yes.
Can you speak Bahasa or something Japanese from your
Apa kabar?
apa kabar? Apa kabar?
Aku cinta kamu.
Oh my god. Okay.
To all Indonesians.
To all Indonesians,
Yes.
and also special for your fans in
Yes.
Indonesia.
Yes,
Okay,
definitely.
there's some comments on our YouTube channels, RRI Singaraja official. Hello, Kristiani Muiz. Hi, Gigi Twins, Julian and Jason. Welcome to Singaraja. Success for your performance. God bless. From Auntie. Yeah.
Oh.
Kristiani. Okay, and then Dave the official. Gigi Twins, Jason and Julian, can't wait to see you in Jakarta. Welcome to Indonesia, and special for Jason. You look very handsome today, bro.
Jason got fans, huh? Jason's got.
Jason only.
Yeah.
Okay, and then also Murtini. Hi, Gigi Twins, success performance-nya. God bless. Okay, thank you. Maybe for listener who also watch us on YouTube channel, you can also ask questions related to their song, maybe, or maybe their anything, anything. Anything. Okay, and then can you maybe give out or tell us a little bit about what is actually the song tells about, your new song especially?
Okay.
What's the title of your song?
The title's called Higher.
Higher.
Yes.
What's that song tells about?
Yes. So when we created this song, we were in the Maldives.
Maldives.
Yes. So
Holiday or so?
No.
No, so we-
we sing there in the Maldives. We perform there in the Maldives. So it's been a long time we are there in Maldives. So when we decided to create this song, we created it in our room, and then we have a mini studio. So we came up with this song, and the song is mainly about talking about our partners in life. So the ones that we love, and it talks about how these girls make us their priority. They lift us up, and that's how the title came about. Higher.
Higher.
Yes.
Okay, and maybe Jason, you want to
Yes.
add?
Yeah,
something?
so I think because this song is very special, and my verse in this song is written for my partner.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Yes.
Your what's the personal experience, something like that, is also included in this song, like that.
Yeah,
experience.
personal experience. There is couple of
Certain
yeah
areas.
certain areas
Yeah.
in the
So
song.
certain lyrics.
Okay.
Yeah.
You both write down.
Both of us,
yeah,
yes,
both
yes,
of,
yes.
You okay? Have you also have the video of that song already?
Not
taken?
not as yet.
Not yet.
It'll come very soon.
Okay.
Yeah, stay tuned.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
You already have the idea.
Already the idea. Yes, we have the idea for the video, and we will shoot the video in Malang.
In Malang, Indonesia.
Indonesia.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Why shoot Malang?
We do it in Malang is because Bonarutsi is
Is
based in
in-
Malang,
It's Malang.
so we need Bonarutsi also to be a part of the video. Yes.
Okay, that's good. And maybe of course in your journey in music industry you maybe feel or maybe face some trouble, or maybe challenge, can you maybe share with us what are they?
Yeah.
We can start from Julian or Jason, can
Sure.
start.
Yeah, so in the music industry sometimes it's really hard, it's really tough. There's a lot of challenges, and sometimes we have to face those challenges and go through that, because on the other side of this big storm there's sunshine.
Okay.
So
That's your quote.
yeah.
Okay.
Quote for the day.
Oh, the day. Okay. Continue.
And yeah, so like when we like create music, and sometimes it's really hard because sometimes it's really tough to get the lyrics. Because you have to think about it.
Think a
Sometimes
lot.
it's very easy, like in 10 minutes we can just write a
Write
song.
Okay.
Yeah.
It depends on your mood also.
Yes.
It depends, yes.
It depends.
Inspiration
It depends, yes. And sometimes we like have to think of the lyric, but I think it's more easier when we write, because we write about our partners, so it's easy and it just flows within us
Yeah.
and from us. So it's I don't think there's any hard things in that way, but when it comes to like performing also, we have to prepare ourselves,
Yeah.
and sometimes it's tough because we have to think about the lyrics, especially the lyrics when we are performing. Sometimes it's really tough because if we miss the lyric,
It's
and
embarrassing.
it's embarrassing. It has happened to us. yeah, so many times.
Yeah.
But we just go with the flow.
We go with the flow.
Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah.
Nobody will realize that you
Yes.
make mistake. Yeah.
Yeah.
But
About Julian.
yeah, it's challenging in the music industry, because once you release a song, sometimes you don't expect, like you don't get what you expect, right? Sometimes, because it's very difficult, because there are so many artists that's putting out music every single day, and then we are competing with those artists.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, but we just keep doing it. We do keep doing it because we do it for the love of music, and we do it because this is our passion.
Yeah.
Yeah, and we want all our fans to just enjoy our music. Yeah.
Because sometimes when we do something, our patience with full-hearted, the result will be different, isn't it?
Yes, correct.
Okay, and then from your new song, what do you want, or maybe what do you hope listeners feel from your new song? Maybe do you have expectations?
Yes, we just love our fans and our listeners to enjoy the rhythm,
Yeah.
the melody, the whole song, and feel the vibe that
Yeah.
we have put into this song.
And maybe it can resonate to them as well. Yeah, maybe it can resonate as in like the lyrics can be personal to them as well, and maybe they can feel something special in that song for themselves as well. Yeah.
And also in this song you collaborate with Benarutsi, and it's from different places, isn't it? How
Yeah.
can you come out? How it's not easy because you're not in the same place in it.
Yeah.
How can then you can make it in harmony, something like that?
Yes. So it was very challenging because we are in two different countries.
Yes, true.
We are in the Maldives and he's in Indonesia.
Indonesia.
Yeah. So two different countries. And because we have technology today, it's easier. Yeah, it's easier. Like it's easy to do the recordings wherever you are.
Oh.
And then you can be creative from where you are and then put your creativity through the social platforms what you're using and then come about it. And sometimes it's a little difficult because the timings are different, right?
Yeah, true.
Indonesia and then Maldives, the times are different, and then to get things done, it will take a little time. Yeah, it takes a few days to complete everything.
How many days you complete it all?
I think it took around two weeks.
2 weeks, I think.
2 weeks
Yeah.
only?
Yes,
2 weeks.
2
yeah, to
weeks.
get everything
Oh
done
my
properly.
God.
Yeah.
Yes.
Not too much.
It's not too much.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and because he has been very supportive as well. Bonarutsi, yeah.
How did you find Boneruzzi?
Yeah, he's very supportive and also he's very free to give his ideas and to collaborate in this project. Like he has been very, very helpful towards
And
this.
very kind. He's a
Yes.
very kind person.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. So, how do you finally you find Boneruzzi and then decide to collaborate with him? How you find it on social media, or maybe you listen also their previous music, something like that?
Yes, so we came to know Bonarutsi through social media. Yeah,
Okay.
and then connected with him.
What make you? I think I want to collaborate with Boneruzzi.
What made us?
Yeah, I think it's his music,
Yeah.
his style. It was like, wow, when we were listening to his songs, his rap is amazing. The way he raps, and there's a nice twist to it.
Okay.
So we were like, okay, this guy, he's got this.
You contact.
So we contact, yes.
Okay.
Yeah, so before we do any collaborations, we always listen to the artist's music. Yeah, so before we reach out to them. So, but he's got something very different and very unique. Yeah, and we knew at that moment that him collaborating with us, it can be something special.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's very good.
And it is special.
Yeah, and also we will talk a lot more about Gigi Twins, especially about what's that your meet and greet performance. Yeah, tonight we will ask how your preparation, something like that. But teman Pro 2, we will talk more after this. I have song from Gigi Twins also. You left me here to die. Okay, let's listen it.
Kerjaan banyak banget dah. Aduh. Puyeng kalau gini nih. Untung ada ini. RRI Digital. Nah, ini baru asik.
Dengerin terus ya, Pro 2 RRI Singaraja, teman terbaik kamu. Hai, aku punya cerita nih buat kamu. Bangun pagi, siap-siap buat berangkat sekolah, kuliah, kerja. Pastinya butuh asupan kan? Eits, bukan cuma sarapan, tapi asupan mood juga. Kayak ruang buat sharing cerita kamu.
Paket.
Hah? Sarbagita? Sarbagita, saatnya berbagi cerita.
Dengerin atau baca info viral kekinian.
Trending. Yang viral.
Woi, Kak!
Jangankan sebelum berangkat, Baru bangun aja, kadang kita langsung ambil handphone kan? That's why kita perlu tahu info update soal teknologi. Kamu udah pakai AI yang mana nih? BTW, kalau habis berkegiatan, mood kan turun tuh. Bangkitin lagi, request lagu di Pro2 FM.
Waktunya Pro2 Hitlist.
Perut lapar.
Kita ini lapar, kita ini lapar, kita ini lapar.
Dengerin rekomendasi kuliner dan jajanan UMKM bikin ngiler. Habis makan, udah kenyang, jangan lupa self-reward. Bukan self-reward itu ya, tapi ini. Yes, olahraga. Dengerin info dan beritanya. Ada yang happening dari dunia entertainment juga.
Oh, kulit kerang ajaib. Apa yang harus kami lakukan supaya bisa keluar dari hutan ini?
Tidak ada.
Mantep ya kalau...
Wah, kita masih di acara music live chat with CJ Twins, ya Julian and Jason still. Okay, check. Okay, Julian and Jason, today you also have performance, meet and greet with your fans in Singaraja, isn't it? So maybe you have a lot of preparation. How you maintain that? Maybe both, because maybe your from flight from your country to is also take times. How you manage your performance or maybe your preparations tonight?
Yes. So we like to schedule and plan everything prior to our performance so that we don't rush into anything.
Okay.
And we like to make sure everything is planned properly so that we'll be relaxed. You know, so for us to perform and to be mentally and physically relaxed. And also regarding the performance tonight, we have a performance at Starbean, Singaraja.
Yes.
Yeah, we're excited for that performance. It's happening tonight at 8 p.m. So all the listeners who are listening right now, if you are here around this corner, please drop by.
Yeah, it's coming.
Yeah. Starbean.
What will be a special performance tonight, or maybe it's still surprise, or you want?
It's a surprise. Just come and watch. Yeah.
So you want give a clue for us?
This performance will be a chill back, relaxed performance.
Yeah, more acoustic.
More acoustic.
Acoustic performance. Yes.
How many days that you prepare this body for this?
It's been a couple of months that we've been discussing this and also preparing for this event here at Starbean. And finally we are here.
Okay, when you come or decide, you come to some cities in Indonesia, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah. How you then finally you want to decide Singaraja as also as a place to perform, or maybe you have fan base here or?
Yes, so we there are few people who like to listen to us in this city.
Oh, really?
And also we have couple of fans in Bali as well, in Denpasar and areas in that place. Yes. And then in Jakarta and then in Malang. And it's spreading all over Indonesia.
Yeah. And about Jason?
Yeah. I think it's the same. It's the same with Julian. I think in Jakarta and in Malang and the whole of Bali, we have, because there are fans who know us before we came into Indonesia. So those fans are really excited to have us here.
maybe before you decide come to Indonesia, maybe some of them invite you to come when Gigi
Yes,
come
that's
to
right.
Indonesia. Okay, yeah.
Yes, that's correct.
This is
And now we are here.
yeah, to fulfill the invitation of your fans in
Yes.
Indonesia. Oh my God, that's good. And maybe how do you, as twins, of course, it will be different to what's that, manage all things, yeah, in maybe in performance or something like that, because you come two head become one. It will be different if you are solo, isn't it? How you deal with the difference, even you are twins, but sometimes you will maybe fight about something, isn't it?
Yeah.
How you
Yes.
deal with it?
Yes. So because we are twins, it's easy, and and also we fight because we're brothers. We fight like everyone does, and when we prepare stuff for performances, it's not that hard. It's very easy because like from the clothes, when we perform, we wear the same clothes, so our outfit is the same, and so it doesn't bother us. And when we are performing, if there's something wrong, he knows it, and he covers me, and I'll do the same for him. Yeah. So it won't be obvious to anyone.
Yeah.
Obvious, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we have the same understanding.
Because you grow together.
Yes.
You know each other.
Our minds think alike.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I know what he thinks. He knows what I think. So it's easy.
But so far in music, what's the most things that make you maybe have different insight, or maybe make you different opinion? I want this, or I want this. Jason and Julian have different side about.
No,
I
we
don't
never
think so.
had that.
Yeah, we never had
and
that.
I don't think we'll ever have that as
Yeah.
well.
Oh my God!
Yes.
Yeah, this,
Yes.
so far.
Because we always want to be together, and we always want to continue our music together. Yeah.
This really nice. You really what's that? Have a good taste and same taste, and
Yes.
it make you easy
Yes.
to what's that? In music and
Yes.
everything, yeah. Okay, then maybe about now we will talk about your future plans. Of course, yeah, it's not stop here, isn't it? You maybe have your future plans, or what we gonna maybe in a couple of months, or maybe later what you want to do.
Yeah. So we have another collaboration coming up, and that will be coming out soon. It's another song with Defi D from Jakarta.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we have the song title. We'll get the title. It's called "The Reason Is You."
The reason is you.
Yes. And that will be out very soon. So to all our listeners, to all our fans, be ready and stay tuned for this next collaboration that will come up.
Collaborations,
Yes.
okay.
Yes.
So far, how many songs do you have?
So right now we have 2 from Indonesia.
Two from Indonesia.
Yes.
But total
Total we have, I think, more than 30
30 songs which is released.
release.
Yes.
Yeah. How many albums?
We have around since 2014. That's 1, 2, 3,
Need to count it.
4, 5, and recently, we put out an album called Conversations as well.
Yeah.
And then we put a Christmas album out called
Christmas Forever.
Yeah, Christmas Forever.
Christmas Forever.
Yeah. So we have, I think, around 5 albums which is out already.
Okay. Now we will also read many comments on our YouTube. Yeah, whenever see. Yeah, I think he follow us. Yeah,
Yes.
watching us
He's
from
watching.
start
He's-
until maybe until the end of our program. Mr. Bobby, so good song, my bro. And then Iran Amora, hi. Gigi Twins. Santi also. Semoga sukses. Hope success for your performance tonight in Indonesia, in Singaraja especially. Johannes Deviandi, hello Gigi Twins, welcome to Singaraja. Okay, and I think all of comments say that you have a great performance tonight, yeah, in your meet and greet performance in Starbeams tonight. Okay, of course, we are not only talking, but also we listen how Gigi and how Julian and Jason will perform in Pro 2, yeah. But before that, we'll listen to maybe one song, Love, yeah, from G Twins. Yeah, this is the collaboration, yeah, G Twins and Produksi Higher.
Yes.
Yeah.
Bisa bagus terus biar jadi smart people, melek isu kekinian di Indonesia dan mancanegara, kayaknya afdol ya. Tradisi Bu Pertiwi alias Tanah Bali jangan dilupain. Cek Dewasa Ayu, gatre terkini seputar Bali, dan dengerin lagu Bali juga. Udah mulai larut, on the way istirahat, pastinya butuh yang rileks ditemenin lagu-lagu yang kamu suka.
It's time for request time.
Bahas film, dengerin terus ya Pro 2 RRI Singaraja, teman terbaik kamu. Hai, aku punya cerita nih buat kamu. Bangun pagi, siap-siap buat berangkat sekolah, kuliah, kerja. Pastinya butuh asupan kan? Eits, bukan cuma sarapan, tapi asupan mood juga. Kayak ruang buat sharing cerita kamu.
Paket.
Hah? Sarbagita? Sarbagita, saatnya berbagi cerita.
Dengerin atau baca info viral kekinian.
Trending, trending, trending. Yang viral, yang viral, yang viral.
Woi kak,
Jangankan sebelum berangkat, baru bangun aja, kadang kita langsung ambil handphone kan? That's why kita perlu tahu info update soal teknologi. Kamu udah pakai AI yang mana nih? BTW, kalau habis berkegiatan, mood kan turun tuh. Bangkitin lagi, request lagu di Pro 2 FM.
Waktunya Pro 2 Hitlist.
Perut lapar.
Kita ini lapar, kita ini lapar, kita ini lapar!
Dengerin rekomendasi kuliner dan jajanan UMKM bikin ngiler. Habis makan, udah kenyang, jangan lupa self-reward. Bukan self-reward itu ya, tapi ini. Yes, olahraga. Dengerin info dan beritanya. Ada yang happening dari dunia entertainment juga.
Oh, kulit kerang.
Pro 2, tentunya kita sudah hampir berada di puncak acara ya, Music Live Chat, but before we end the program, yeah, because the time is up. Oh my God, it's already almost an hour we talk, yeah, and still with Jason and Julian Prince, yeah, Gigi Twins. So before we end or close the program, maybe you want to say something to your friends, or maybe remind them where you will perform tonight, and also in Malang, yeah?
Yes.
Okay.
So we have the higher tour happening in Malang on the 7th and the 8th at the MCC, which is happening at Voice of Malang at the Malang Creative Center. So anyone who's there in the city of Malang, you can please visit us there and watch us perform alongside Bonarutsi at Voice of Malang. And also you can have time to meet and greet us at that venue.
Venue. And how about
Yes,
tonight?
and also tonight at Star Bean at 8 p.m. If you are around this corner, please visit Star Bean and watch us live. And it's a chilled out performance, an acoustic performance. And we hope you come and enjoy the evening.
Yeah, you don't want to miss this performance.
Of
Yeah.
course. Special.
You don't want to
ya.
miss JJ Twins in Indonesia, in Singaraja.
In Singaraja especially.
Yes.
So teman Pro 2 yang nggak punya nggak punya rencana acara malam minggu ya, kamu bisa langsung datang ke Starbin Cafe ya, tepatnya ya di sebelah RRI ya, gampang jadi tempatnya. Jadi kamu bisa tonton live performance dari JJ Twins tonight jam 8 malam ya, jangan sampai ketinggalan. So this is the last but not least, we will watch your live performance here. The first performance maybe in RRI Singaraja Pro 2 ya.
Yes.
So we will listen how JJ Twins sings their
Yeah.
song. Okay, the stage is yours. Please.
Thank you so much. Yeah.
What will the song that you want to sing?
Okay. You want to sing a song now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Please.
Do something. When you smile, I smile. When you laugh, I laugh. We would dance all night long. Just you and I, just you and I. When you smile, I smile. When you laugh, I laugh. We would dance all night long. Just you and I, 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 you and I.
Oh yeah.
Thank you so much.
Awesome,
Thank you.
yeah. And for always the comeback performance, you can watch them ya. Don't forget tonight Starbin Cafe 8 p.m. ya.
That's right.
See you there, JJ Twins. Hopefully your meet and greet performance will be success. Yeah.
Thank you.
So it's really happy and glad to meet you here in Singaraja. Hopefully next time you will come again.
Yes,
to
and
our radio.
yes, and we also want to thank RRI for having us here at this station, and we want to thank you for this time.
Yeah.
Yes,
of
and we hope to
course.
see you also at the performance.
Of
Yeah.
course.
Yeah.
Oh, we will not miss your
Yeah.
performance.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you once again for coming to Pro 2 RRI Singaraja. And ya teman Pro 2, itulah perbincangan kita di Music Live Chat bareng JJ Twins ya. And tentunya support terus ya mereka sebagai musisi yang berkolaborasi tentunya bersama musisi Indonesia juga ya. Dan sekian Music Live Chat, kita akan berjumpa lagi di lain kesempatan. And good morning and goodbye.
Ajaib, apa yang harus kami lakukan supaya bisa keluar dari hutan ini?
Tidak ada.
Mantep ya, kalau mood bisa bagus terus, biar jadi smart people, melek isu kekinian di Indonesia dan mancanegara, kayaknya afdol ya. Tradisi Bu Pertiwi alias Tanah Bali jangan dilupain. Cek dewasa ayu, gatre terkini seputar Bali, dan dengerin lagu Bali juga. Udah mulai larut, on the way istirahat, pastinya butuh yang rileks ditemenin lagu-lagu yang kamu suka.
It's time for request.